Baking cookies on 4 levels at the same time makes them unevenly crispy and crunchy. Not anymore. Thanks to 4D Hotair, you can place your food on up to 4 shelf levels at the same time, and the results will be consistently perfect. And it's all thanks to the new fan wheel, which automatically changes direction every 3 minutes. Heat is evenly distributed on every level, no matter whether you're baking or roasting on 1, 2, 3 or 4 levels. The results are always perfect. And even if you don't place a shelf on the right level, the results will still be excellent. Thanks to the specially developed engine, the fan wheel is powerful, super silent, and highly energy efficient at the same time. And of course, it's highly reliable for a long service life. This is 4D Hotair, the heat distributor that gives you perfect results on all levels. Bosch, invented for life.